Joe, my name is Harry, and I'm going to teach you how to do the Venom voice. We are Venom. First, sigh. Use as much air as you can. Add voice. Do the same thing but in really low note. Until you hear the vibration. Remove the vocal like when you whisper. We are Venom. We are Venom. If you still can't get it, check out the video right here where I teach you in a different way. And also in the same video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the Venom voice into this really cool sound. So, video right here.